When it comes to marketing videos, is it best to shoot horizontally, vertically, square? Well, hang on, because I'm about to share what's working right now and my best recommendations for you. Welcome to the Maximizers. Welcome, fellow Maximizers. Hey everybody, I'm David Miller, broadcast director and video marketer. Choosing the right aspect ratio for your videos seems more complicated than ever because every social media platform is very unique. So what are we supposed to do? Well, over the next few minutes, you'll discover the answer to that question. So let's get right to it. Horizontal 16:9 videos are excellent choices for YouTube and Twitter. They're also the perfect choice for embedding on your website. They perform well for LinkedIn desktop users, but are not so great on Facebook and Instagram Reels. And they're definitely not a good fit for TikTok. Vertical 9:16 videos are the perfect choice for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. They perform well on LinkedIn for mobile users and okay for Facebook and Twitter. But here's a little surprise for you. Vertical videos are an excellent choice for Pinterest. Yep, Pinterest. It's not just for crafts and beauty, and it might just be your new secret weapon. Because Pinterest is a search engine, your video might be the perfect solution for what someone is searching for right now. So give it a shot. Square video is an all-around useful format because it works on a lot of platforms and it works perfectly on Instagram, which loves squares. And it works well on Facebook and Twitter. But square videos are not a good fit for TikTok or YouTube. And even though square videos can be published on a lot of platforms, it's kind of a pain in the neck to make square videos for platforms other than Instagram. As you can see, there is no such thing as one size fits all when it comes to marketing videos. And if you're feeling a bit confused, you're not alone. Every marketer is dealing with this very same dilemma. So here is my easy to understand recommendation for anyone who wants to create videos to grow their business. It's the two-step strategy that I am using right now. Step 1, create a horizontal long-form video for YouTube. Then slice it up into shorter segments that you can post on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These long-form videos take more time to create, but they'll have the greatest impact in the long run because they hang around on YouTube forever and your videos will show up in search results far into the future. Step 2 is to create many short-form vertical videos and post each one to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Pinterest. That is a ton of places to publish a single video. And these videos don't have to be fancy, just authentic. Now make sure to add captions, as most platforms are going to show your video silently until somebody clicks on them. I recommend using a cloud-based tool like Submagic. Now by using this simple two-step strategy, you can publish on every platform every day of the week. Now, I know the idea of publishing every day, or even multiple times every day, can seem daunting. But in this era of video marketing, there is good reason to publish what might seem like a lot of content. Because when we publish different styles of vertical and horizontal videos, then we mix them up with image posts and text posts, we can look at the analytics on each platform to discover what's working best for our audience. It's a simple and elegant way to quickly test all kinds of content. Now, when a particular post performs better than average, we can spend a little money to boost that post or create an ad from that post. And that will allow us to reach more people, increase engagement, grow followers and subscribers, and generate more leads. Post, boost, repeat. Boom. Now, before we finish, I have a free gift for you. It's a video mini course showing you how to make better videos without spending too much time or too much money. You'll see the latest affordable tools for quick filming, tips for better pictures and better sound, and my secrets for getting your best performances on camera. And as a bonus, you'll discover the mindset for creating videos that sell. This quick course is pure value, and you can get instant access to my mini course right now at themaximizers.com/fast. And you can also find the link in the description for this video. All right, fellow maximizers, here is your challenge. Create long-form horizontal videos, create short-form vertical videos, learn from the analytics, and then boost your very best posts and grow your audience. Don't forget to subscribe, let's stay connected, and as always, have the very most fun.